Greetings. In this quick video, I want to show you how to preheat any oven in order to bake an article of food that you purchased in the store. So right now we have some chicken wings, and we're going to go ahead and follow the instructions in order to cook the chicken wings. And as you can see here, they're saying that we need to preheat the oven at 425 degrees. Now you're going to find that the majority of things that you have to cook is going to be between 350 Fahrenheit to 450 Fahrenheit, depending on the food, whether it's frozen or whether it's already pre-cooked or cooked. So it's fairly simple to do. The average amount of time that it's going to take to preheat the oven before you put the food in is going to be anywhere between 8 minutes and 15 minutes. And of course that depends on what food that you're putting in. So we got chicken right here. So let's go ahead and get our chicken ready, and we're going to go ahead and preheat the oven. So it's at 450 degrees. All right, so what you're going to do, depending on your oven, but what you're going to do is you're going to click bake. Right now it's automatically at 350. So if it's at 350, only thing I have to do is click start. Now this particular one is a GE oven. You might have a different one. You might have a hot point. You might have a Frigidaire. There'll be some different variation, but it'll pretty much be the same premise. All right, so it's at 425 degrees, so what I want to do, plus or minus, you can hold it down to go faster. And then when you get to it, and then of course I can lower it if I wanted to. But it said 425 degrees, and the only thing I have to do is hit start. And right now it says P-R-E. Now right now the oven is preheating. I do not put my food in yet, but I don't put my food in yet. I want to wait till it's done. Like I said, it'll take about 10 to 15 minutes to preheat. And what's going to happen is it's going to let me know. It's going to go beep, beep, beep. And I'll go ahead and speed up the clock for it to get to however long it takes to preheat. But in the meantime, I could have my food ready, get it ready. And I'm using a baking glass that you can get that's approved to bake in. Or you might have a pan that you can put tinfoil in, or parchment paper. But I prefer the glass. I think it's cleaner. All right, so we get our food ready. And I'm going to put a little bit of celery sticks in here. But keep in mind, I don't put my food in until it's preheated and it's ready to cook. All right. It's been about 10 or 15 minutes, but my oven automatically let me know that it was preheating by beeping. So let's put our food in the oven. So typically you want to put it in the center portion of the oven unless they tell you otherwise. So just be careful. You don't have to wear a protective mitten. Just be careful of how you put it in. I'll slide it in there. All right, and now you have to set your own timer. You could either use a watch or your smartphone or a clock, or there's usually a timer on your oven. So this particular GE has one. So the only thing you have to do is click timer. And I think it said 25 minutes, but I like doing 30 minutes on chicken. So I'm just going to hold it down and 30 minutes. And then I'm going to click start. All right. So in 30 minutes, it'll let me know that it's done, and then we'll go ahead and take it out. All right, it's been 30 minutes. My food is done. So the only thing I have to do is cancel, make sure it's off. There's no lights on. And we'll take our food out. And it should feel hot to just around it. And so you do want to use a protective oven mitt in order to remove the food. So what I want to do is take it off the center here, like this. All right. Oh boy. So I'm going to let that cool off for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to enjoy. All right. So that's how you preheat and cook using any oven.